How to add video scaling in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the timeline and make sure it's selected. Then, go to the top right of the screen and open the inspector panel. If you don't see it, click on the inspector button to reveal the options. Once it's open, look under the transform section. Next, find the zoom controls. This is where video scaling happens. You can either drag the zoom sliders or manually input values to scale your video up or down. Increasing the zoom value will enlarge the video, while decreasing it will shrink it. If you want to scale uniformly, make sure the link icon between Zoom X and Zoom Y is active. This keeps your video's proportion intact while scaling. If you need different scaling on the X and Y axis, you can unlink them and adjust individually. You can also use keyframes to animate the scaling effect over time. Just click the diamond icon next to the zoom, move the playhead, and change the zoom value to create smooth scaling transitions. Additionally, if you go to the timeline settings by right-clicking the clip and selecting Clip Attributes, you'll also find the scaling option there. But for most purposes, using the inspector is the fastest and most flexible way. And that's it. Now you know how to add video scaling in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.